Alright, I'm going to show you how to give a custom paint job using kind of some unique brushes to some vehicles. So I opened up this picture here. We've used this in the past here, and I'm going to go ahead and do what I would normally do. I'd go up to Edit, Select All, and then I have my color replacement tool, and I can go out here and start coloring things. But what I want to do is I actually want to grab some unique brushes. So where it says brushes here, I'm going to go ahead and click on the brushes, and we see these traditional brushes here. Now, I can actually go ahead and click on more, and I can say, well, I want to look at some dirt brushes. And if you notice here, some like mud splats. So I can go ahead and click Add. And now what I can do is I can choose any of these things here, and that's a really big brush right there. So I want to go ahead and drop my brush size down. It's way too big. And that looks a little bit better. And now I can go, oh, I accidentally clicked out there. Let's go up to Edit, Undo, Edit, Undo, there we go. So now I have this brush here, and say I want to put this mud splat out here. Let's get a nice brown color. There we go. And now I can go ahead and I can do a single click, and I'll just put a little bit on there. Single click, single click. If I click a couple times, it'll actually make it a little bit darker. So now I can actually kind of put mud splats. And again, if you notice, I'm not holding, and you can probably hear me clicking around. I'm actually just doing single clicks there to bring that down. And again, if I do a bunch of clicks, you can see that I made it a little bit darker. Okay, and click, 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 and then so we can actually use that to design our car. Now you can also layer stuff on top of each other as well. And so I can go up here and say, well, I want to get some different type of brush. Maybe I want to use, let's look at more. And let's use cracks and click Add. And now you can see that I have added some of these cracks. Oh, there, the cracks are up there. And now I can go ahead and maybe change the color a little bit. And now I can actually go ahead and put, let me drop the brush down. And again, the brush is your diameter. Let's go back a little bit lower. And now, if you can see, I'm going to put some cracks on here. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to do a custom paint job to 2 different vehicles. Enjoy!